In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make all columns the same width in Google Sheets. If your spreadsheet looks uneven or some columns are much wider than others, setting them all to the same width can make everything look cleaner and much easier to read. This is especially helpful when you're organizing data, building a template, or preparing a sheet to share with other people. To begin, you need to select all of the columns in your sheet. The fastest way to do that is to click the blank rectangular box in the very top left corner of the grid. You'll find it just above row 1 and just to the left of column A. When you click that box, the entire spreadsheet becomes highlighted, which means every column is selected and ready to be edited at the same time. If you prefer using a keyboard shortcut, T here is another way to do it. Click the header for column A first, then press Ctrl, Shift, and the right arrow key on Windows, or Command, Shift, and the right arrow key on a Mac. That will extend the selection across the columns in your sheet. Either method works, so you can use whichever feels easier. Once all the columns are selected, move your cursor to any highlighted column letter at the top, like A, B, or C, and right-click. This opens a context menu with several options related to the selected columns. From that menu, choose the option that says Resize Columns, followed by the selected range. The exact wording may vary slightly depending on how many columns are selected, but it will clearly refer to resizing the columns you highlighted. After that, a pop-up window will appear. In this window, select the option to enter a new column width in pixels. Then type in the width you want to use. If you are not sure what number to enter, a standard width of 100 pixels is a good place to start. It's a balanced size that works well for many types of data, but you can choose a larger or smaller number depending on your content. When you've entered the width, click OK to apply it. Google Sheets will instantly update all of the selected columns so they match exactly. And that's it. Your columns are now the same width, giving your spreadsheet a more polished and consistent layout. Thanks for watching.